To change primary language of the live transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Next, tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap more setting. Under audio and language section, tap primary language. And then select the desired language. As the example, we will select French. As a note, if it's the first time for you using the language, you have to download it first before you can use it. By doing this, the primary language of the live transcribe will be set to French, which means it will use this language as the default. So you can use live transcribe to capture a speech in French and get the transcription in a text form on your screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.